without discrimination or preference. There is still a gap that needs to be filled in providing the proper avenue for the right to exercise one's belief in public spaces. This bill is a step towards filling the gap. Again, Mr. President, I would like to thank Senator Robin Padilla for sponsoring this bill, as well as his August Chamber for your steadfast support on its approval. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Villar. The Majority Leader,
Mr. President, may we recognize Senator Robin Hood Padilla, Mr. President.
Senator Robin Padilla is recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo at sa ating pinunong mayorya. Ako po ay tumatayo ngayon upang magpasalamat lang po sa lahat po ng aking mga kasamang senador. Ito po ay napakagandang balita para po sa lahat ng relihiyon. Ito po ay matatawag po nating tagumpay ng lahat ng mga nananampalataya, anuman po ang kanilang relihiyon. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan, siyempre, ang author po nito, Senator Mark Villar. Maraming salamat, kapatid. At siyempre po sa mga co-author po natin, ang atin pong Majority Floor Leader, Senator Mig Subiri, Senator Joel Villanueva, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, Senator Loren Ligarda, Senator Bongo, at sa mga sumuporta po na laging nandito, Senator Erwin Tulfo, Senator Raffy Tulfo, Senator Pia Cayetano, at siyempre po sa ating pong Senate President, Senator Vicente Soto III. Maraming salamat po. At sa lahat po sa inyo, maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po.
Thank you, Senator Padilla. Majority Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Alam niyo po, Mr. President, nabasa ko nga online over the weekend na ang ating mahal na kapatid na si Senator Padilla, Robin Hood Padilla, ay nami-misunderstood at minsan daw ay controversial. Pero hindi po nila alam na si Senator Robin Padilla ay napakaraming batas na naipasa. Napakaraming batas na naipasa ng ating kapatid. Adopted son po namin yan sa Mindanao. And this is just one of the many bills that he has sponsored and passed into law. At natutuwa po kami dahil timing po, bukas ay umpisa ng Ramadan, Mr. President. Bukas po ang umpisa ng mga Ramadan para sa ating mga kapatid na Muslim. At itong pagtatalaga ng mga multi-faith prayer and quiet rooms, napakaganda din po ito para sa ating mga Kristiyano, mga kapatid. Dahil paminsan-minsan, alam nyo naman, pag masyado ng stressed at may mental health problem na po tayo dahil sa stress, maganda din po ito as rooms for reflection at quiet rooms and peace rooms. So kung saan pwedeng pumunta ang isa sa ating mga kababayan at makapagpahinga at and reflect on the days to come. So this is a very important measure, and I'd like to congratulate once again the sponsor, Senator Robin Hood Padilla, and to all the senators that have supported this measure. So, Mr. President, just to put on record as well that all these bills that we are reading for third and final reading was electronically distributed to all the members last February 12 in compliance with the 3-day rule of the Constitution, Mr. President.
Complying with the 3-day rule.